Good morning, students. I Kajal Shukla welcomes you all in our online classes. Today we will start lesson 5th of English 1, that is the fisherman and the jinn. Student, this is the story of a fisherman. Now, what do you understand by fisherman? A person who catches fishes and sells them in market to earn money. Once there was an old fisherman who lived with his family. He was a poor man, so he lived in a small house. Every day he went to a sea to catch fishes. He cast. Here cast means throw forcefully his net only 4 times per day. One afternoon he went there and cast his net. Soon his net became too heavy. He found a dead jackass in it. The second time he found an earthen jar which was full of mud and soil, as you can see in this picture. But he did not give up. He tried the third time. This time he found pieces of pots and broken glass. Children, now he was very sad. He prayed the god and cast his net the last time. After some time, he found a jar which was made of brass. He thought that he would sell it and buy some food. Students, after this, what would happen? We will see in our next slide. Students, as he was thinking to sell the jar, he thought he must see what is inside. Then he cut the lid with a knife and out came a fearsome jinn. Here fearsome means frightening. The jinn was very angry. He said to the fisherman, "Get ready, I will eat you." The fisherman asked, "Why? I brought you out from the jar. I did not harm you." But the jinn did not listen. He wanted to kill the fisherman. Now, what will be the next point? We will see in our next slide. Students, as the jinn was not ready to leave the fisherman got an idea and he tries to make the jinn fool. How? He told the jinn that he wanted to see how could he come from the small jar. The foolish jinn went into the jar to prove it. As he entered into the jar, the clever fisherman immediately put the lid on it. In this way, the fisherman saved his life. Children, the fisherman thanked Allah for giving him the right thought at the right time. Students, now what you have learned from this story, that if we are in any problem, we should never lose hope. Students, do reading practice of this chapter and try to get its meaning. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.